guys, wala naman akong mai-content. So while we are waiting, kasi naantay ko yung bumalik si Arnold, kaya ito, wala akong magawa sa ngayon, kaya magbablog muna tayo saglit. So this time it's so very cold here. Ayan, sobrang lamig guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong degrees kami ngayon. Hindi ko na check yung weather. Ayan, nakita nyo naman kung ano yung suot ko ngayon. Super. At saka pag dito, ganyan. Saka pwedeng itakip yung ganyan. Kumusta kayong lahat? Kung saan man kayo sa sulok ng mundo, tayo mag-ingat. So the month of November, it's so very sad for me. Very sad, very sad. Yung bang hindi mo inaasahan na mangyayari. So last week, isang linggo nung Wednesday, na namatay yung aking boss na hindi namin inaasahan. Sobrang sakit guys, kasi yung aking boss, kasi lang kami, 4 lang kami sa bahay. 2 yung bata, 10 years old at 15. So napakasakit talaga na yung mga pangyayari na bigla. Alam mo ba yan guys, pag open mo sa room at nakita mo na lang wala nang buhay yung isang tao. Na-witness namin na tatlo yung situation. So sobrang sakit guys hanggang ngayon. Minsan scroll up ako sa mga videos, pictures, so mapaluha ako minsan guys, kasi dalawang ilang gabi na rin na hindi ako makatulog. Yung ang dami kang iniisip kasi may responsibilities ngayon yung 2 bata, kasi very dependent sila, kumbaga mayroon naman silang tatay, pero yung tatay nila papunta-punta na lang kasi laging nasa business trip, kasi actually divorce sila, pero wala namang ibang family, pero ayun lang sa kanyang trabaho. So ito yung mga grandparents pumupunta lang kung anong oras o anong araw sila available. So every day naging kasama ko yung mga bata. So napakasakit. So today naman, yung aking kaibigan na naging kasama ko din dati sa aking trabaho, isang doktor na kasama ko dati sa clinic na nagtatrabaho, na naging kaibigan, naging close. Ngayon, may isang kaibigan nag-message sa akin, na na-message niya na namatay na din dahil sa cancer. So guys, napakahirap sa yung buhay natin. Isang mawala din, kagaya sa di boss ko na kumbaga hindi mo inaasahan na mawala ano sa isang ano lang. Hindi wala din siyang sakit, wala din siyang ininda, ganon, wala siyang kung ano-ano na sinabi sa akin at that time. Basta ang sinabi lang niya sa akin, tomorrow I don't have work, I need a rest, so don't make a noise. So ganun lang, buong araw hindi ako kalabog sa bahay. Kumbaga be quiet lang kahit
Everyone I
alaga
know and love are all in town, but I've had enough of looking at the snow. I wish that I could go away this Christmas. My family, they don't want me to go away, but I chose to leave. I'm staring at the tree. It says that I should be away this Christmas. And what am I to do if I can't be with you? To sit and laugh with everyone we love. I hate the snow, so I chose to run and sit there in the sand beneath the sun. Everyone I know and love, they're at my house, and I've had enough. I'm looking at the snow. I wish that I could go away this Christmas. What am I to do if I'm still feeling blue? Well, everyone is there on Christmas Eve. I'll sip my eggnog sitting on a beach, and I won't have to clean up when they leave. My family, they don't want me to go away, but I had to leave. I'm staring at the tree. It says that I should be away this Christmas. You know I miss you so, but I had to go away this Christmas. Everyone I know and love are all in town, but I've had enough of looking at the snow. I wish that I could go away this Christmas. My family, they don't want me to go away, but I chose to leave. I'm staring at the tree. It says that I should be